Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And do you travel a lot and you have a larger iPad or a 14-inch computer? Then I have the sleeve for you. This here is going to be a felt sleeve with a Velcro strap. And the softness of this thing is really nice. It's really well stitched. It's going to have a nice opening here to get your 14-inch laptop. So I have the 14-inch MacBook Pro, which fits it perfectly. So I can go ahead and get that in there. And you can see this is fully covered. All the corners are covered, so this is going to protect it. If you just wanted to carry this under your arm or throw this into another bag like I do, so I do have a computer bag, then this goes in there just to give it that extra layer of protection. You can also put some information here in your name, model, contact, anything like that. It's so great for kids going to school, so if they were to lose something, maybe they know who to contact if they were to come find it. I love the gray. I love this little brown leather strap here to give you that little accent. And again, it says nice Velcro, super secure. Your laptop's not going to come flying out. And again, you can use it for an iPad or a tablet or any computer that's around 14 inches. This is going to be a 15.6 inch and it fits the 14-inch MacBook Pro perfectly. So if you're looking for a great sleeve, definitely check this one out. I highly recommend it.